As a Year 9 student, you have reached an important point in your education. After 9 years in school, you have, for the first time, got some control over what you study.
Felly, sut mae hyn I gyd yn gweithio? Wel, ym mlwyddyn 10 ac 11, bydd eich wythnos yn cael ei rhannu yn wersi craidd a gwersi opsiynau. Pynciau craidd yw'r rhai yma'n rhaid I bawb ei gwneud: Cymraeg, Saesneg, Mathemateg, Gwyddoniaeth, Bagloriaeth Cymru, addysg gorfforol ac addysg grefyddol.
Your option subjects are the ones you have chosen to study. For example, art, history, PE or DT. 21 lessons will be course subjects and 9 will be option lessons. You are about to decide the subjects you are going to do for those 9 lessons a week.
Nid yw gwneud dewisiadau mor hawdd ac yma'n swnio, ac efallai y bydd hi'n anodd penderfynu pa bynciau rydych chi am eu hastudio.
There will be a number of things that will influence your choices, like your career ambitions, your interests, your achievements so far, and of course, what subjects you are good at. How do you make your choices? By now, you should all have your options booklets.
Y tu fewn, mae yna gyfoeth o wybodaeth am eich holl bynciau ac am wneud eich dewisiadau.
Basically, there are 5 stages. Stage 1. Read through the options booklet carefully. Stage 2. Complete a straw poll activity, which will enable us to gauge the level of interest in the courses on offer and inform the structure of our timetable blocks. Stage 3. Get the advice you need from teachers, parents, carers, and older students. Stage 4. Choose 2 subjects from each block, 1 first choice and 1 reserved subject, and enter them onto the options choice form. Stage 5. Get the right staff to sign your choices on the parents and options evening. Make a copy of what you have chosen on the Making Your Choices page in the booklet. Hand in your option choice form to the school office by the first Wednesday after half term.
Cofiwch bob amser, nid ydych chi ar eich pen eich hun. Os oes gennych unrhyw gwestiynau neu bryderon, gofynnwch I aelod o staff a allech helpu.
Here is the list of options on offer this year. We believe in offering a range of qualifications to suit the different needs and strengths of our learners. For example, we are continuing to offer Level 2 vocational qualifications such as sport and agriculture.
Yn ogystal â detholiad o gymwysterau galwedigaethol, rydym hefyd yn darparu ystod iawn o tygau mwy traddodiadol I sicrhau bod gennych chi'r dewis ehangaf posibl a'r cyfle I wireddu eich breuddwydion a'i dyheadau yn y dyfodol, beth bynnag ydyn nhw.
For the 3rd year running, all Year 10 pupils will be studying the Welsh baccalaureate. The Welsh baccalaureate is an exciting qualification for students in Wales that adds a valuable dimension to the subjects and courses already available for 14 to 19-year-old students.
Mae Bagloriaeth Cymru wedi ei selio ar dystysgrif her sgiliau a chymwysterau cefnogol. Y prif nod yw hyrwyddo sgiliau hanfodol ar gyfer cyflogaeth a darparu cyfleoedd drwy 2 her a phrosiect unigol.
The central focus for the Welsh baccalaureate at Key Stage 4 is to provide a vehicle for 14 to 16-year-olds to consolidate and develop essential and employability skills. The qualification will help learners to prepare for their future by developing skills, attributes, and behaviours valued by post-16 educators and potential employers. Here is some key information about our course subjects. English. Cymraeg. Maths and numeracy. And science.
Fel y gwyddoch, mae Llywodraeth Cymru yn adolygu'r cymwysterau a'r cwricwlwm sydd ar gael yng Nghymru yn gyson. Byddwch yn ymwybodol ein bod ni fel ysgol yn monitro pob datblygiad a chanlyniad i sicrhau bod ein dysgwyr yn dilyn y cymwysterau mwyaf perthnasol a gwerthfawr sydd ar gael. Wrth gwrs, byddwn nhw'n rhoi'r wybodaeth ddiweddaraf i chi am unrhyw ddatblygiadau a all effeithio dewisiadau eich plentyn.
At Llanfyllin, we believe in offering all our students real opportunities to succeed.
Credwn fod gan fyfyrwyr yr hawl i gael mynediad at lwybr dysgu sy'n briodol iddynt fel unigolion.
At Llanfyllin, we believe in providing the future workforce of Wales and the world with the skills they require to fulfil their ultimate potential. We hope that you will grasp the opportunities we are offering and make the most of them. We look forward to seeing you at the Year 9 Parents and Options Evening. Diolch yn fawr.